And welcome to Uzenzele. My name is Nadia and I'm a co-founder of Uzenzele, a firm that helps businesses access finance for expansion and growth. As a niche boutique consulting firm, we have a very tight team, and a very instrumental part of that team is Marika. She'll be your first point of contact when you do contact us. In line with Uzenzele's value of knowledge sharing and giving back, we've been fortunate to host many interns. At the moment we have Glenda, a BCom economics student at the University of Johannesburg, working with us in doing some market research and building her CV. Now that you've met the office team, I'd like to introduce you to my business partner and co-founder, Zara.
So Uzenzele is an advisory company in the capital raising space, and what we predominantly do is assist businesses in the growth stage of their business to understand what opportunities are available for them. We like to focus on government incentives being grant funding, because this really helps in a sustainable manner of capital raising to help in the growth trajectory of the business. Well, what inspired the business idea was our heritage and where we come from. Nadia and I both started in family business, our father's trading business, and we realized quite quickly that the business itself wasn't geared for and wasn't ready to access the funding that was available in the market. When we moved out of that business in 2012, we determined that if that business, which was one of the largest distribution companies in its space at the time, didn't know what was required and didn't have the elements that were required to be ready to access this funding, no doubt this was something that other businesses struggled with as well. And we decided that it would make sense, with everything that we had, all the knowledge we had gained in the business around fundraising and capital raising, to actually establish this consultancy. And that's the heritage of it and where it all comes from. The name Uzenzele also comes from those days and a project that we had initially started while we were at my father's business. It means to do for yourself. We've extended that to say, but not by yourself. So we want businesses to realize that ultimately, if they want to succeed, they need to do what it takes. But we are there to help them through it, to hold their hand and guide them through the process of what's available and how to go about accessing those funds, so we can see the growth of South Africa. Unofficially, we've been operating for 7 years. Officially, and in this wonderful office space of ours, we've been going for now 5 years. And we've really grown through that process. We started off focusing on businesses that didn't necessarily have the ability to access a lot of the funding that's available. And then through that, understood where our target market lay, understood more what the challenges businesses were facing are, and went through the process of really developing our consultancy in a manner by which we can assist businesses with those issues that really they struggle with, so that we can make this a seamless and easy process for them.
So we've actually helped various beneficiaries or clients. So we look at the clients, and typically they've been in the manufacturing sector, either in the fast-moving consumer goods, specifically in personal care, baby care items, and areas where there's high demand. We've got other clients who produce transformers, for example. We've got others in the agricultural space, in the ginning space, cotton ginning. It's a wide spectrum. Typically in the manufacturing sector, some institutional businesses such as universities and private clinics and the likes. So it becomes quite a wide array, but focus really being within the manufacturing space. What we really look at is partnering with business. We go into risk-sharing models with them, unpacking their businesses and really understanding what financiers might be interested in funding those businesses. Through our extensive network of both financiers and partners that we work with, it's very important that we're able to bring that experience and network to our clients. Our definition of success is really being able to go to the clients after they've accessed the finance and seeing the piece of equipment and the staff and the way the whole business is now able to expand and operate to meet its clients' demand. That's amazing for us. Our company value proposition is really coming from a different position, where we come from business first and we've come into consultancy after. So really understanding a business's needs, its requirements for expansion capital. Coming from a family business environment allows us to really connect with our clients, especially those that are medium-sized businesses and looking to grow into the market. We have an amazing network of financiers and stakeholders that we work with, providing different solutions for different businesses. Typically, we look at our associates and bring in their expertise and experience as well as our own to really provide an amazing value to our clients.